I am Matt.
I'm Michelle. Today we're going to make some easy chicken wonton soup by peeling carrots. Alright, so while he's doing that, we're going to do some scallions, guys. While he's peeling the carrot, we'll talk about these. They're little green onions. They usually come in a bunch and they're bound up like this. They have the little hairy things at the end. Delicious. You're going to take them, you're going to cut off the hairy ends. Next thing you're going to do, easy to do, it kind of takes off like an icky layer, right? Then you just want to take them, I'm going to cut all the ends off, take my knife, cut them into little pieces. You want the white and you want the green part. I did like 2 bunches. Next, do you want to cut up the carrot? The directions, cut it on the bias. This is a bias, sideways. Just go like that, sideways. And you want it to be small pieces, so they have a little bit of an angle. There you go.
Okie doke. Man, definitely not one of those chefs that goes.
Did about 5 carrot. You want them cut as uniformly as possible, right? Ginger, delightful. It has all these little things. Take a spoon and you peel it like this, because you can go and you can get around all those lumps and bumps and knobs and stuff like that.
Oh, that smells so good.
You need about a 2-inch chunk.
You know, I like ginger, but Marianne's pretty cool.
So we're gonna take it, we're gonna cut it up. I'm just gonna mince it. So while I'm mincing this up, we're gonna start out, we're gonna add our chicken broth. Start with 8 cups. You want to try and make your ginger as small and finely cut up as you possibly can, guys, because you don't want to bite into that. It's spicy. See, I want it to be tiny because you don't want to bite into that. You can see it's very small.
Turn it on to high.
We're going to cook it on high. I'm going to take a couple of tablespoons. I'm going to go 1. Here's 2. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2. Cook with wine that you would drink. You can see here we're going to use a little Sauvignon Blanc. 1/4 of a cup. I also do rice wine vinegar, a dash. 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. We're going to do a tablespoon. Ready? Wait a little bit. Teaspoon of sugar. We'll put in a teaspoon. 3 teaspoons sesame oil. There you go. Pinch of salt. And then we're going to add carrots. Very careful. Now we're going to cook this on high heat and we're going to bring it to a boil. Once it starts to boil, we're going to turn it down and we're going to let it simmer for a couple. So we'll be right back. So we've got all of our liquids and our carrots and they've come to a boil. Guys, this is so easy. Wontons. So I'm just going to very carefully add, ready? Yeah, I'm doing the whole bag. We're just going to get them in here. They're already cooked when you buy dumplings or wontons. So we're just going to let them sit there for a couple minutes. It's going to come to a boil. They're going to float. It's almost done. We have spinach. It's good for you. Pairs very well. We're just going to take this. We're going to dump it in here. We're just going to put the rest of this in here. 2 bunches of scallions. We're just going to sprinkle that right on the top. I'm just going to put the lid on for like a minute or 2. Watch the transformation. I don't know. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Drum roll.
That looks great.
It's bubbling. Okay, guys, so see? You can see. Oh. And there you go. Super easy chicken wonton soup. I don't care what you say, spinach, it is so good. And the carrots, it's bright, it's tasty, it's warm, it's great for fall. It's soup, it's ginger, it's soothing, it's all the things. Yum!
Oh, really good.
It is. It's really good.
My favorite part is the ginger. I mean, I know I love the dumplings, but the ginger and the spinach, that's good.
Check out Make It Matter TV for other recipes, guys. Stay inspired. Be happy. I'm thinking of Jamaica today. It's been a few days since Hurricane Melissa. It's a great island. I'm supporting them. Thanks for coming today, everyone. Hopefully we'll see you again soon.